Have you ever tried to set up a remote connection in .NET only to be met with frustrating errors? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the common .NET remoting error, requested service not found. I completely understand how annoying it can be when your code seems perfect, but you still run into errors. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar issues when working with .NET remoting. Let's take a closer look at the specific situation. One user, Aaron, is trying to build a simple .NET remoting connection, but encounters the requested service not found error when invoking a method on the server. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this error? The requested service not found message typically indicates that the server is not properly registered or that the client cannot find the server instance. We'll break down the code to identify the issue. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that could save you from future headaches with .NET remoting. To resolve the requested service not found error, the user should first ensure that the server is running before attempting to connect from the client. This means starting the server application and confirming that it is listening on the correct port. Next, the user should check the URL used in both the server and client code. The URL must match exactly, including the port number and the class name. In this case, it should be localhost/myremoteserver class. The user should also confirm that the TCP channel is registered correctly in both the server and client applications. The server should register the channel before marshalling the object, and the client should register the channel before attempting to get the object. Additionally, the user should ensure that the doSomething method is accessible and that there are no issues with the method's implementation. The method should not throw exceptions that could prevent it from being called successfully. Finally, if the issue persists, the user can add logging to both the server and client to capture any errors or messages that occur during the connection attempt. This can help identify where the problem lies. Fun fact, did you know that .NET remoting was one of the first ways to enable communication between applications across different machines? It's come a long way since then, but errors like this can still trip us up. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests that the issue lies in how the server's URI is defined. Instead of using the full URL, simply use myremoteserver class as the URI. This change should resolve the requested service not found error. Additionally, on the client side, instead of registering the channel each time the button is clicked, use remotingservices.connect. This will handle channel creation automatically and prevent exceptions on subsequent clicks. Here's the tip I promised. Always log your server's activity. This way, you can see if the server is receiving requests and where things might be going wrong. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the requested service not found error and get your .NET remoting connection up and running. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.